Have you ever felt that strange sense of emptiness after the holidays? You're not alone. Many of us experience what's called the post holiday blues, a dip in energy and motivation that can catch us off guard. It's completely normal, but the good news is there are ways to move through it and come out even stronger on the other side. Hi, I'm Ed Schaefer, leadership coach and advocate for well being and leadership. In today's video, we're diving into the post holiday blues, what they are, why they happen, and most importantly, how to overcome them. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to restore balance and start the year with clarity and purpose. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why the post holiday blues happen. The holidays are a time of heightened emotions joy, stress, connection, and sometimes even tension. When it's over, we experience an emotional come down. There are a few key factors at play. First, emotional exhaustion. Navigating holiday gatherings, family dynamics, and packed schedules can be draining. There's also unmet expectations. Maybe the holidays didn't turn out as picture perfect as you hoped. There's routine disruption. After the festive rush, returning to the daily grind can feel monotonous or even overwhelming. Seasonal factors, like shorter days and less sunlight, amplify feelings of sadness or fatigue, especially for those prone to seasonal affective disorder or SAD. Understanding these factors helps us normalize the experience. There's nothing wrong with you, it's simply how your brain and body respond to a big shift. Now that we know why this happens, let's talk about what you can do about it. Here are 5 strategies to help you navigate this transition period. Strategy 1: reconnect with joy. One of the simplest but most effective things you can do is revisit activities that genuinely bring you joy. Think about what lights you up reading, painting, gardening, or even just going for a walk. For example, I have a client who rediscovered their love for baking after the holidays. It gave them a creative outlet and a sense of accomplishment. Strategy 2: ease back into your routine. Jumping back into a full schedule can feel overwhelming. Instead, try a gradual transition. Block off time for planning, prioritize your tasks, and give yourself permission to ease in. Think of it as setting the foundation for long term success, not rushing to get everything done at once. Strategy 3: plan micro adventures. Sometimes we miss the excitement and novelty of the holidays. You can recreate that feeling by planning small, meaningful activities like exploring a new coffee shop, going for a hike, or trying a new recipe. These micro adventures keep life interesting and break up the monotony. Strategy 4: reflect and reset. Take time to reflect on what went well during the holidays and what didn't. What moments brought you joy? What would you like to change next time? Journaling or having a conversation with a trusted friend can be a powerful way to process these thoughts. Strategy 5: prioritize rest and self care. Finally, remember that rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Sleep, hydrate, and nourish yourself with wholesome foods. A well rested body and mind are essential for stepping into your full potential as a leader and as a person. Of course, it's not always easy to implement these strategies. You might feel like you don't have the time, or you might be stuck in a cycle of low energy. Here's how to overcome those challenges. I don't have time to rest. Remember, small moments count. Even 10 minutes of intentional rest can make a big difference. I don't know where to start. Begin with one small action. Maybe it's journaling for 5 minutes or going for a short walk. Starting small builds momentum. I feel guilty for taking time for myself. Reframe rest as an investment in your ability to lead, support others, and thrive. You can't pour from an empty cup. The post holiday blues are a natural part of transitioning back to daily life. But with intentional actions, reconnecting with joy, easing into routines, and prioritizing rest, you can not only overcome them, but start the year with clarity and balance. Take a moment today to reflect on what you need most. What's one small step you can take to recharge? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on leadership, well being, and resilience. And if you're ready to take your growth to the next level, reach out. I'd be honored to support your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.